Master Investor here with another video about how to set up your business online. Welcome to the team. I named the team Master Team because you will master the ability to make money while you sleep. The second thing you need to do once you purchase the $25 one-up system is to set up your Weber account, which is your Autoresponder. This tool allows you to communicate with your leads that are coming in from all the advertisement that we will have out there for your business. You cannot do this manually because it will take you forever and it will become a job. We want this to be hands-free system that makes you money while you sleep. So let's set up your Weber account. I would like to show you because I would like to see your name here on the leaderboard with my name. Let's see, maybe it's, I don't know what happened here. Is it the internet? Oh, there we go. Right here, number 9. So for the past 30 days, I have been number 9. Right, I stay on the leaderboard. The system works, makes me money while I sleep, and I want to teach you how to do that. Okay. So the second thing you need is the Autoresponder. However, go ahead and download the presentation. I'm going to leave a link below so that you can download this presentation. It has instructions and it has a link in here that you need to click on to set up this Autoresponder. Okay, you want to do that ASAP because it's going to help you get to the money fast. And then once that's all set up, we will focus in, of course, advertisement. So let me show you this presentation and maybe explain few things here. Then you can go through it on your own pace later. Let me see. Okay, so let me see what I have here. So the goal and mission is to build the asset column with digital assets like $25 one-up system. Online is the fastest way for you to reach financial freedom, make unlimited money daily, and build passive income. The diagram from one of the slides is a financial statement, which is important to understand. Work on minimizing items in the liability column by using more efficient resources and increasing value. Stay focused on adding sound assets to the asset column. You will master the ability to make money while you sleep. Financial freedom is created with passive income. 3 types of income in the money system: earned income, portfolio income, and passive income. We are going to focus on passive income because it is the type of income that creates ultimate freedom. It creates financial freedom. It's the money that comes in while you sleep and it grows overnight. Okay, it can literally spontaneously grow tremendously. There is not limit to how much it can grow. Once you have passive income coming in, then the wise thing to do is to invest that money back into your asset column to increase your passive income even more, which means more financial freedom, more things that you can do. You can travel different places, you can stay at the best places around the world, you can fly private, so forth and so on, right? And that is the whole purpose, to get to that point where you don't need to work for money. Financial education is all about learning how not to work for money. All right. Building the asset column. We are going to focus on building your asset column with digital assets. The 3 good reasons. 1 is fastest way to financial freedom. 2 is the fastest way to make money today, because with the digital franchise that you purchase, you can turn around and make money within the same hour that you purchase, okay? And it goes straight to your account. You can actually touch the money. So that is why. Money never stops growing. Like I say, it can grow spontaneously overnight. Okay, so here it is, the instructions for the Autoresponder. Follow these instructions, right? Make sure you click this link. When you set up your Autoresponder, you do it through this link. Once you have that account, you're going to create an affiliate account by clicking this link. and then you have a unique link like mine that you can share with others that are coming in to the business and they need an Aweber account. So you can earn 30% commission every single month passively, because Aweber gives you um, a 30% commission for referring a person to their system, okay, for their tool. So this is another digital asset for your asset column. Once you have that, you will set up your first list inside of your Aweber account. A list can be named anything you want. It's just to, it's for your own organization inside of your account, right? So a list, when you create a list, you can, when it asks the name, you can say your first list could be named the $25 one-up system list, for example, right? It doesn't matter. I have a tutorial video on YouTube to see how to set up your first email campaign. I will give you a unique code so that you can upload that code into your Aweber, and it downloads all the emails that you will need to have in place for your customers when they come in and they ask for information. Those emails will go out every single day, and it will do all the selling and telling for you, okay, hands free. So let me see here. An email campaign is simply a list of marketing emails with value for your customers. Aweber will allow your business to answer all the inquiries on 100% autopilot. This is the Cashflow Quadrant right here. Okay. 4 types of players in the money industry. The left side of the quadrant, you have the E, employee, exchange time for money. They actually, work 8 hours and they get paid for those 8 hours. If they work more, they get paid overtime. But if they don't show up for work, then they don't get paid. Okay, they work for money. And that type of income is earned income. The S stands for self-employed, such as an attorney or an accountant, maybe a dentist with, just a dentist and maybe a secretary. That's a self-employed. Somebody, she owns a job or he owns a clinic, and if he doesn't show up to see clients, like the more money the doctor, the more money the dentist make, that means the more clients they saw and they talk, so the more time they invested. So it takes your time away. It's earned income. You have to work for money. On this side of the quadrant, on the right side of the quadrant, we have the B, the business owner. You own a system of systems, and that's what you are today, right now. You're building your asset column with the $25 one-up system. So you are right here, right? You have a system, and now you're setting up Aweber, which is another system, and that is passive income. Once you have passive income, your money can be working for you every single day, because you're going to reinvest it back into your asset column. And financial freedom is found on the right side of the quadrant. So anyway, you can have that for yourself later. You can look at it. This is a financial statement I was telling you about. This is your income column. The whole purpose is to have 100% passive income, because that is the type of income that you don't work to earn it. You have businesses and systems online selling for you, working for you. So they go to work and you just enjoy life. Okay, that's your income column. Expenses, right? That's the mortgage, taxes, car payment, food, a Weber account, anything that is required payment from your business or you personally. Asset column, the asset column, the digital franchise, right? The $25 one-up system is your digital asset. So it goes right here because it's going to put money into your pocket. Assets put money into your pocket. Liabilities take money from our pocket. Aweber is an autoresponder, and that allows you to also make money, passively, because the company pays you every single month that whoever you share the link with, if they're using Aweber, then they're paying every single month. You're gonna get 30% of that. And then the advertisement is another asset for you because it's going to create income. We're going to focus on increasing the asset column by acquiring assets. Liability column, card, mortgage loan, bad credit cards, bad habits, etc. Anything that takes money out of our pocket, we're going to minimize that, right? So assets put money in our pocket, right? It puts income. We're going to reinvest, right, our income back into the asset column. So that's what it should look like if this is a healthy financial statement, right? This is a healthy financial statement right here. We have assets, right? It's making money, right? We're investing that passive income back into the asset column, more freedom because we have more passive income. Assets put money in your pocket. They provide total financial freedom. Liabilities take money away from your pocket. Subscribe to the channel if you like what you're watching, if you're seeing this on YouTube. If not, then if you're part of my team and you're watching this inside of the back office, then follow me on Instagram if you want to stay in touch, or leave a comment below if you have any questions. Financial freedom is achieved by building the asset column with sound assets. I appreciate the partnership, and as a member of the master team, the first 100 members will get 50% discount for the first 100 digital copies of my book called Asset Column. So send me your name and I will put you on the list, and I'll send you a coupon so that you can have that book. I'm releasing it by the end of this year, December. It's a great book because it's going to teach you how to build your asset column even more. I'm going to teach stuff that I'm not teaching anywhere else. Exclusive information. Go to my website, masterinvestor.life, if you're watching this on YouTube and you want to know more about what I'm doing and how I'm helping people and what system we are using to earn money every single day online, then go ahead and go to masterinvestor.life. Follow me on my YouTube channel. Leave a question. Feel free to record testimonial video. I'll be glad to talk to you. Let me know any question you may have, and please bear with me because I will reach out to you as soon as I can. So let's set up your Weber account, right? And make sure you use that link. I put a to-do list right here at the end. Use the link. Make sure you do it in this order, right? I put it 1, 2, 3, so you can do it the right way. And then next, we're going to be working on this. You're going to get a domain to promote your $25 one-up system. GoDaddy is a good place to get your domain. A domain can be named anything as long as it's not taken by someone else. For example, let me correct something here. Oh yeah, for example, of a domain is buydigitalfranchise2018.com. That I don't know if it's available, but it's an example so that you can get an idea. Anything that is a name, phrase, keyword that is related to the system you are promoting will be good enough. You need one because it's going to make your business look more professional, okay? So that will be the next thing you need to do after you set up your Weber account and you set up your affiliate account. But make sure you do it in this order: 1, 2, 3. And then go to GoDaddy and make sure you choose a domain that is related to the $25 one-up system. If you can't come up with something, then ask me and I will give you some ideas, maybe. But I think you can come up with a good one. Anything can work, right? You can be creative. Having a domain makes your business more professional for potential customers. Customers will automatically trust you more than those who do not have a domain to promote their products. Next, after you have a domain, we need to connect that domain with your $25 one-up capture pages, and I will show you how to do that. You know, how to connect that Aweber autoresponder with the capture pages on a different video. Once that is done, then we are ready to start your first advertisement campaign. Let me know when you have your domain, because we need to redirect that domain into your capture pages, and have to have that domain connected with your capture pages, and of course your capture pages will be connected with your Aweber account. I'm going to teach you how to do all of that on the next video, but first go set up your Aweber account and then your affiliate account so you can earn commissions from Aweber, and then create your first list. I will provide the emails for the campaign. Just let me know when you have an account, and you're welcome to watch my video. If you need to see it, you know, you can download this presentation and just do it, you know, without the video. And then the next thing is to get yourself a domain, okay? And let me know when you are done with this. Okay, so that's it for today. I'll talk to you on the next video. Make sure that you follow the steps to the T, and let me know when you are done. Congratulations on making this move. I'm looking forward to seeing you making unlimited sales every single day. Thank you for your time. On to the next video. Talk to you soon. Have a great rest of the day.